Should I cover my turkey while it cooks in a 325 convection oven?
Hi there! In this video, we'll be discussing whether or not you should cover your turkey while it cooks in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven. We'll be breaking down the pros and cons of both methods, and by the end of the video, you'll have all the information you need to make the best decision for your turkey.
What is a convection oven?
A convection oven uses a fan to circulate hot air around the food, allowing for faster and more even cooking. This type of oven is especially useful for cooking large cuts of meat like a turkey, as it helps to ensure that the meat cooks evenly throughout.
To cover or not to cover?
There are two main methods for cooking a turkey in a convection oven: covered and uncovered. Let's dive into the pros and cons of each method. Covered method pros: retains moisture, prevents overbrowning. Cons: slower cooking time, less crispy skin. Uncovered method pros: faster cooking time, crispier skin. Cons: risk of drying out, may require basting.
What's the best method?
So, should you cover your turkey while it cooks in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven? Ultimately, it depends on your personal preference and priorities. If you prioritize moisture and don't mind a slightly longer cooking time, covering the turkey is the way to go. If you want a crispier skin and a faster cooking time, consider leaving the turkey uncovered. However, keep an eye on it to prevent overbrowning, and consider basting to ensure it stays moist.
Tips for cooking a perfect turkey in a convection oven.
Regardless of which method you choose, here are some tips for cooking a perfect turkey in a convection oven. 1. Lower the temperature. Since convection ovens cook food faster, lower the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit from the conventional oven recipe. 2. Use a meat thermometer. To ensure your turkey is cooked to the correct internal temperature, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, use a meat thermometer. 3. Allow the turkey to rest. Before carving, let the turkey rest for 20 to 30 minutes to let the juices redistribute. In conclusion, the decision to cover or not cover your turkey while cooking in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven depends on your personal preferences. Both methods have their pros and cons, so consider what's most important to you: moisture or crispy skin. Whichever method you choose, following our tips will help you achieve a delicious and perfectly cooked turkey. Happy cooking!